So FMS came out with these new FCX24 Toyota Tacomas. Now I am a big Toyota off-road truck type of guy. So when I seen these things come out, I had to lock one in, and I'm glad I did because they definitely sold out very shortly afterwards. And I felt a bit of deja vu because I once tried to buy the real Toyota Tacoma TRD edition. And every time I went to go buy one, they were sold out or they had like a upcharge of like $15,000. So I ended up with a Jeep Gladiator. But now I finally have one, just really small. But as you can see, this thing is officially licensed by Toyota, so that is cool. I know you guys always complain about off-brands not having licensing, but officially licensed. Does sound like there's something loose in there, so hopefully it's not broken. I guess we'll find out. Oh wow, I expected this RC to be in one of those foam casings like it usually is. Cardboard is cool too. It's probably better for the environment. Ta-da! Dude, this thing is so tiny. Not super tiny, but tiny enough. They definitely have it really mounted down well to this cardboard. Oh, it's so cute. Now, I wasn't sure at first, but now that I've opened it, I am definitely feeling this blue. It has a nice flaky paint job. The mirrors have mirrors. You have an interior there. Nice roof rack roll bar. You can probably put stuff up here. Just like every other FMS, the tires are nice, soft, and squishy. Let's see how much flex it has. Dude, what? Come on. That's a lot for this little thing right here. That's pretty impressive. Now here's it next to my Camo Trophy FCX24. Fun fact, this is Adams from Cape Crawler's Defender. I bought it off him, so that remains a shelf queen. And here's it next to my FCX18, so you can get a good size comparison. You can see how much bigger the 18 scale is compared to the 24. That is a really good comparison. Here's another shot. I just realized that the Tacoma doesn't have an actual bed, so that's a bummer, but I'm sure they had some kind of clearance issues, so they couldn't put one in. But since we're under here, you guys can see a difference between the chassis on a Tacoma and a Defender. So the wheelbase is a little bit different, and the rear is a lot longer. So this is a longer chassis because obviously, you know, it's a pickup body. You have your typical 4-link servo on axle. It looks like you have metal drive shafts, which is nice because I do believe this one has composite drive shafts. The drive shafts are counter-rotating, so no torque twist, nothing like that. Let's see how you open this thing up. I think it's just the Velcro style like the other ones. But man, I feel like I'm going to break it when I open it. Oh, there we go. It's always that first time that's the hardest. But man, that is definitely a super long chassis. See that we have that new style ESC. The ESC in this one is clear, and this one's orange. Also, the shifting servo is labeled V2, so that's interesting. Included battery is a 380 milliamp hour 2S battery, 5C discharge. This is a LiPo battery, so very nice. But what would have been really nice is getting actual oil-filled shocks. These are definitely not. Let's find out what's making all that noise. Oh, it's just like a random piece of plastic. That's weird. Wonder if this is part of the RC. I don't know. You gotta take a look around, but this was definitely just dangling around in the box. But anyways, included with this Tacoma, you have your instruction manual, and then we have qualified certificate. That's someone checked the packaging. Some tools, USB charger for that battery. Also, you get a wheel nut wrench. Almost missed that. You also get another little spur gear, it looks like, and another front grille. So this one has that Toyota style emblem, but the truck has the old school Toyota, which I like better. Then you have your typical FMS transmitter with that signature blue look. You have your speeds right here, so low, neutral, high. Then you have all your steering trim, dual rates, yada, yada, yada. Power button, pretty good little transmitter, has a foam wheel. Feels good in your hand. But side note, I did find out what this is for. So this is the buckets for the taillights, and these little holes here are for LEDs if you wanted to add them later on. You can see there, one side is missing. Hopefully it just snaps into place. Had to do it off camera, but yeah, it just slid right back into place. And you can see that the taillights don't have LEDs, but the headlights do. All right, let's fire this thing up and see if it works. Might not have any lights. There we go. Aw. All right, let's see if it can do some minor crawling, which it does no problem. All right. Well, that was easy. Oh. Yes. Hey, if it can make it up that, we need to take it upside. Has some view. All right, we got a little ice crossing here. Can this little guy make it across without breaking through? It's like 50 degrees out, but I'm sure everything will be fine. All right. Yeah, this thing weighs nothing. It's all good. Right across. As is out the box, this little guy can climb. So you can go up this right here. Yeah, no problem. Now let's see if this thing's waterproof. As long as we don't drown the thing, it should be fine. Oh, yeah, that's a little bit deeper than I thought it would be. Oh. Yeah. Nothing can stop this thing. Oh, jeez. Oh, now we're really swimming. All right. Still good. Let's just see how it drives on the high speed. Not bad. Moves for a little truck. Doesn't really tip over either. Yeah, this thing's pretty quick. I wanted to get tracks for this thing, but I'm glad I didn't because all the snow basically melted. This is a cool shot right here. I've been out here for like a half hour and this battery is still good. It's like quicksand over here. This thing's so small, it fits right in a dirt bike track. Alrighty, so I am pretty impressed with this little Toyota Tacoma truck. It's highly detailed, it's priced right, it's pretty reliable, that is for sure. You can upgrade them. FMS's accessory brand, Batrazi, just came out with metal links for this. So you can get links, you can get wheels and tires. You can also get tracks for these because I do believe they work on this model. But yeah, overall, if you are a fan of Toyota Tacomas, you cannot go wrong with getting one of these. I guarantee you will not be disappointed.